Welcome to the channel for the first time viewers. Welcome back from my existing subscribers. Put this PC together over this weekend. A couple parts came early, so super excited. And I had planned on recording little bits and pieces, but because everything kind of arrived within a 2 to 3 hour window, I was able to just kind of go piece by piece as I built this thing out. So for those of y'all that kind of follow me, this is the 7950X. What we have right now, we just finished unboxing the Asus TUF X670E Plus, which is obviously the newer motherboard. So I'm going to cut out from here, and I am going to share some tips while the video kind of plays in the background. Got a little bit of music, but I won't overdo it with the music, just for some of the parts that I fast forward that kind of took a little bit of, a little longer, that I'm going in double or triple speed. So with that, I'll throw in some music so you don't just hear, that rewind or that fast forward sound. Wish I knew exactly who put me onto this, but one of the issues that I find myself struggling with is getting the cables into the slot, like the motherboard slot, and getting them into the actual CPU headers once the motherboard is in the case. So setting this up, which is why I called it case prep, setting it up prior to installing the motherboard has cut down a significant amount of time. So this is just one quick pan over, and I'm going to cut out again from here. And so this next part is one of my least favorite things about building the Lee. I feel like they have almost no space for cable management. The Corsair 4000D airflow, you can remove the hard drive bay, and that's where all of your cables will go. So it was super easy to manage your cables there. You kind of just bundle them up and you push them in here. But the Lee has that strip along the back. So I was trying to get the motherboard 24-pin cable to kind of start from the top so I can route it down, because that takes up the most amount of space, and that's what makes closing the back panel the hardest. I got it done in the end, but you'll see me struggle here for a little bit. So yeah, it was no joke. But again, hopefully y'all are enjoying the video so far. And we won't be bringing the music back. I don't think I have any more fast forward sections, but we're getting ready to wrap it up here soon. So you'll get to see just one quick lapse along with the cable management. But let me know if you have any questions. So the case I have is a Lee O11D Evo. It's an all black one. I got the black Arctic fans. I tried to keep this build as minimal as possible as far as RGB goes. So I actually wanted this to be a blacked out PC. But I had to reuse my cables, or not my cable, my Corsair H150, which is a ton of RGB in itself, and then your graphics card. So it kind of made it tougher, and then the RAM I got. So again, try to keep it as minimal as possible, but that didn't work out. So, all right, I'll catch you on the flip. Y'all be easy. Enjoy the rest of the setup, and the benchmarks are already live on the channel. This video actually came afterwards. All right, holla.